Finally got my pulley in. Time to fix this blown pulley. And we're gonna put ARP bolts so it doesn't happen again. Cause it literally blew up in pieces. Lock washers, but they don't. That's weird. Just have regular washers. Oh, come on. Why do you make everything so difficult? Old truck. God damn it. Why does everything have to be so difficult? Whoa, 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 two more guys. And tomorrow I'm gonna have to go buy some red Loctite because I do not want that to happen again. That bitch flew out on the freeway and it scared the shit out of me. I'm gonna do the belts yet. I don't know if I should do them yet. There goes the pulley. Man, I should have painted it while I have it off. I gotta put all these new little fucking lock washers or lock nuts, whatever they are. Well, I'm finished for now. I gotta wait on more parts. But the grill's on with all new hardware, and I finished this stupid pulley that blew up. Now I need new belts and a new plug for the water pump. I don't know why it didn't come with it. So, be back another day.